So, right here, this is baby's head. This is the baby's body. You can kind of see a little heartbeat right there.
Oh.
See that?
Yes.
Oh, that's crazy.
They're beating really fast.
Yeah, that's baby's heartbeats are really fast.
Is it like kicking or something?
Yeah, it's moving around a little bit. You don't feel any movements usually until about 20 weeks, but the baby is moving in there.
Well, I guess you'd be uncomfortable if you were just sitting there like that.
Yeah. You can see kind of legs are forming down here. See the legs are kicking?
Yeah.
Down there.
Yeah, it's moving.
It looks great.
Yeah,
Yeah, just move.
yeah, it's kicking.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he's moving.
Moving around, stretching, kicking. So it looks perfect.
Great, thank you. How big is the baby right now?
Big, let me measure.